Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Repeat after me. Pollution, pollution, pollution. Repeat after me. Exercise, exercise, exercise. Repeat after me. Community, community, community. Repeat after me. Environment, environment, environment. Repeat after me. Wildlife, wildlife, wildlife. Repeat after me. Usually, usually, usually. Repeat after me. Accessible, accessible, accessible. Repeat after me. Improve, improve, improve. Make sentence with pollution. Air pollution is a serious problem in many big cities. Plastic pollution harms oceans and marine life. We can reduce pollution by recycling and using public transport. The government should take actions to reduce pollution. Make sentence with improve. Reading every day can improve your English. Exercise can improve your health. Planting more trees can improve the environment. Make sentence with accessible. The new library is easily accessible by bus. Good healthcare should be accessible for everyone. Many online courses are accessible from smartphones. The museum is accessible for people with disabilities. Make sentence with usually. I usually get up at 6 a.m. on weekdays. She usually takes the bus to school because it is convenient. We usually go shopping at the weekend. People usually exercise in the morning to stay healthy. Make sentence with wildlife. Many tourists visit national parks to see wildlife. We should protect wildlife and their natural habitat. Pollution can harm wildlife and rivers and forests. Wildlife plays an important role in keeping nature healthy. Make sentence with environment. We should protect the environment by recycling more. Plastic waste is harmful to the environment. Many schools teach students how to care for the environment. Planting more trees help improve the environment. Make sentence with community. Our community work together to keep the streets clean. Many people volunteer to help their local community. A strong community makes people feel safe and supported. Community, everything bring family and neighbors together. Make sentence with exercise. I do exercises for 30 minutes every day. Regular exercise helps us stay healthy and strong. Many people exercise in a park before work. Doctors recommended exercise to improve both physical and mental health. Storyline. Today, Cliff is walking his brown puppy Milo in a beautiful clean city park. He's wearing comfortable clothes and a green cap and a yellow t-shirt and blue shorts. John is excited because he is riding his new red bicycle along the parkway. He is wearing a green t-shirt with a logo, Nature is Good, and a pair of orange shorts. Nearby, Anna is sitting under a big tree and reading her favorite book. On a bench, Cliff's grandparents are happily feeding the pigeons. They enjoy watching the birds, guarding around them. High up in a tree, a mother bird is feeding her baby birds in the nest. Colorful flowers are blooming all around the park and Beautiful butterflies are flying from flower to flower. Everyone is enjoying a happy, peaceful day in a beautiful city park. Answers and questions. Where is Cliff walking Milo? He is walking Milo in a beautiful, clean city park. What is the name of Cliff's puppy? His puppy's name is Milo. What is Cliff wearing? He is wearing a green cap, a yellow t-shirt and blue shorts. What is John's excited? Why is John excited? He is excited because he is riding his new red bicycle. What is on John's t-shirt? It has a logo. Nature is good. What is Anna doing? She is sitting under a big tree and reading her favorite book. Where are Cliff's grandparents sitting? They are sitting on a bench. What are Cliff's grandparents feeding? They are feeding the pigeons. What is the mother bird doing? She is feeding her baby birds in the nest. What can you see around the park? I can see colorful flowers and beautiful butterflies. Part B, true or false? Cliff is walking his puppy in a city park. True or false? True. Cliff is wearing a blue cap. True or false? False. John is riding a new red bicycle. True or false? True. Anna is playing football. True or false? False. Cliff's parents are feeding the pigeons. True or false? True. The mother bird is feeding her baby birds. True or false? True. Part C. Questions. Who is walking Milo? Cliff is walking Milo. What color is Cliff's t-shirt? It is yellow. Who is reading a book? Anna is reading a book. What are grandparents doing? They are feeding the pigeons. Why do you think everyone is happy? Because the park is beautiful, clean, peaceful, and everyone is enjoying the day. Part D. Speaking questions. Do you like going to the park? Why or why not? Yes, I like going to the park. It is clean and quiet place where I can exercise, read a book, or spend time with my family. I also enjoy looking at the trees, flowers, and butterflies because they make me feel happy and relaxed. What activities do you like to do in the park? I enjoy taking a walk, riding my bicycle, and spending time with my family in the park. Sometimes I read a book, take photos of the flowers, and watch people playing sports. I like parks because they are peaceful and full of nature. Have you ever ridden a bicycle in a park? Yes, I have ride my bicycle in the park because it is a safe place with beautiful trees and flowers. It is also a good way to exercise and spend time outdoor with my family and friends. What animals can you usually see in a park? In a park, I usually see birds, squirrels, ducks, butterflies, and dogs. Sometimes there are pigeons eating on the ground and ducks swimming in a pond. I enjoy watching the animals because they make the park feel lively and peaceful. Why is it important to keep parks clean? It is important to keep parks clean because clean parks are healthier for people, animals, and plants. They help protect nature, reduce pollution, and make the park a safe and pleasant place for everyone to relax, exercise, and spend time with families and friends. Spot the differences in the pictures. Can you spot the differences? Cliff is running in the second picture, but is walking in the first picture. Cliff isn't wearing a green cap in the second picture. Milo is a grey older dog in the second picture instead of a brown puppy. Anna is wearing an orange dress instead of the pink t-shirt and blue jeans. Anna's book is yellow instead of blue. The bird's nest contains eggs instead of baby birds. The bird's is purple instead of blue. The pigeons are flying instead of standing on the ground. Cliff's grandparents are walking instead of sitting on the bench. John's bicycle is blue and broken instead of red and new. John's clothes are dirty in the second picture. There are mountains in the background instead of a city skyline. The sky is evening with stars instead of bright daytime sky. The trees has orange autumn leaves instead of green summer leaves. Thank you for listening to me and have a nice day. Goodbye, everyone.